Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we will be seeing the forwarders we installed to my Nintendo Wii. So let's click power here. I should show it the screen. To let you know that screen is because I have Boomy as Boo 2 because my Wii is old enough. I would show the model number if I could. So let's click Wii. Don't break, don't break, don't break. Okay. I think it's my Wii, so we're gonna have to sync it again. There we go, now it's synced. Put this back on. Okay, now that we have that ready, let's look at the forwarder apps. Now we have all the homebrew channel forwarder apps. And if you didn't know what these apps do, like the Power Channel, KFC, that homebrew channel, well, basically they just open the homebrew channel. Like, go, look. I already showed this one in the last video, but let's see. Yeah, that's what that does. It opens the homebrew channel. Okay, now my grip is losing, so I'm gonna cut to the next part. Okay, I'm back. Now let's check the Zelda Brew channel. Yep, I don't know. Wait a second, what? Almost an interrupt. Pause the video at the right time. Okay, let's see. Let's do. No. What the? Definitely not up there. Hey, wait, I don't know what this theme is. What the hell? Okay, that's a scam. I don't like that app. I'll install it. Anyway, what those apps are supposed to do is that they're supposed to go into the normal homebrew channel. Now, the Zelda Brew channel. I really hate that channel. I don't know why I even installed it. But anyway, let me explain why I have two homebrew channels. This one and this one. And they look the same. This one is original. This one is one of the WADs I saw with these WADs. So that's the explain. But they do the same thing. They launch the homebrew channel. I know it's confusing. Anyway, this app, what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to launch Wii Explorer, but for some reason it's not launching anything. So we'll skip that. Now this one is supposed to launch Twitter. I already know what's happened. I've done this multiple times. What it does is very funny. It tries to launch Twitter through the web browser of the Wii, and that is so funny. It's just gonna show this thing. Bro. I don't know why people developed this. What was in their mind? Okay, Anyway. Back in. Okay, now let's use the Nintendo channel. Yep. There we go. Exit. Return to loader. And then it goes back to the Wii menu. Oh, I don't know why that didn't show the loading screen. Okay, someone else is coming near here. Oh my. Okay, web. Anyway, let's check the next channel. I've already established what these channels do. Let's check this channel. Okay, let's see. Yep. There we have it. We have it. Now we go here and click return to loader. It will not go to the home channel, but it will go to the Wii menu. Anyway, you haven't saw this one an app. I kept it for last. The Boomy app, the Boomy loader. I really love this intro. So let's start. And you know what it does? It launches Boomy as iOS. Just wait for it. There we have it. Just like the screen you saw when I turned on the Wii. Going back to Wii menu. Let's play this. So yeah, that's what the Boomy app does. Okay, this looks funny, but if you launch it, it just does this. Yep. Another one. That wasn't supposed to do that. I don't know why I did that. I guess it's outdated now. Let's see what this identical copy to the original one does. Hopefully it doesn't break my Wii. It just does the same thing that the TMC channel does. It just shows that little text and then it shows the home channel. Okay, so thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and see you later. Bye.